each batch?
6.
Okay.
For each batch, it's 6 eggs.
Recording. Oh.
Oh.
All right. So.
Pizzellas.
So now I can't get Mom out of the kitchen, and we're just gonna move on to the next recipe. So we're making pizzellas.
All right.
All right.
And
so this is the traditional. We usually make these around Christmas time, but why not make them right now? So
everybody loves them.
yeah. So we're gonna make three different flavors, right, Mom?
4.
Or 4. So we're gonna do the anise, which is the traditional.
Anisette.
Well, Mom pronounces anisette, but it's anise.
Anisette, pure.
Okay, and then vanilla, chocolate,
Pure.
and Saint Germain.
Yep, and the chocolate.
And then we're doing chocolate.
You
Okay.
can even do coffee if you
You
want.
can do coffee if you want, but we're gonna just stick to 4. So the basic recipe, the base recipe calls for 6 eggs. And then we have 4 cups of flour, which we're gonna sift.
It has to be sifted.
It has to be sifted. Same with the sugar, 2 cups of sugar. And then of course our pure vanilla extract. And then whatever our flavorings. So,
Really good.
yeah, so we'll whip this all together.
We gotta start sifting now.
And
here we go.
We're gonna
start sifting, baby. Here, hold this.
Start sifting.
Here we go. We got to sift. Here, hold that up. What are you doing?
All right, so we have to sift all the flour just to make sure that it's all the clumps are out, and you want to aerate your flour so it's nice and fluffy and has that volume to it. A lot of people say that sifting, you don't have to sift your flour anymore because before, back in the day when they processed flour, they didn't really do a good job. So everybody was kind of paranoid about what could be in their flour. That could be bugs or whatever debris that could be in their flour. So that's why a lot of people want to sift their flour no matter what. So I can be kind of particular with that.
But I say you sift it because it makes everything blend so much better because it's so fine.
Mom.
Excuse me.
All right, I just cracked all the eggs and we're going to put in the
Which
vanilla.
is 6 eggs.
So.
No, you got to measure that. Jesus, stop.
I don't have to measure.
Jesus Christ, you have to measure this.
You got ain't done it all?
Can you
You ain't done it all?
wait a minute now.
All right, I already put a half a teaspoon, Mom.
You done it all?
Let me weigh it.
She likes to measure.
You got to be really particular with this because it intervenes with the flavor.
I obviously had a bad week.
Whisking, the eggs, vanilla. Now we're doing this. So they're nice and light.
And then you fold in.
The flour and the sugar mixed good.
Right, you got the baking powder.
You have to make sure to sift
You
in
should
the
have put,
baking.
did you put it in there?
Nope, not yet. I can sift it in though.
Over there, and then mix it. I'll get the mixer.
Dry and wet.
Here.
So we're adding the 2 sticks of butter, melted.
1 cup.
1 cup is 2 sticks of butter.
Melted with butter.
Okay.
It's important for the consistency to be consistent.
Yeah, the consistency is really important in this process when you make quesadillas because you don't want it to be too dry where it's coming into a dough. You want it to still be wet like a batter. Okay.
Yeah.
It needs to be between a cookie dough consistency and a waffle consistency. So it's in between those two.
A little bit thicker than a waffle.
A little thicker than a waffle, but not as thick as a cookie dough recipe or like a sugar cookie recipe. Hey, babe.
The reason why it has to be consistent is because it goes into the iron.
Yeah.
It has to
So I'll show you the iron that we use to.
So they'll come out. The cookies will come out.
Yeah,
perfectly.
they need to come out perfectly, and they don't overspill out the iron, creating a big mess. You wanted to make sure that they're not too watery where they're going to spill out, that they're going to stay in their shape. Okay. And the rest is it. So I'm gonna tell you the ingredients again. So we did 4 cups of sifted flour, to 2 cups of sugar, 4 tablespoons of baking powder.
Separate.
That's separate, dry ingredients. And then we did 6 eggs. This is the wet ingredients. 6 eggs.
Beat them.
You beat them, and then you add the
The liquid.
yes. Then you add the liquid, which is your 2 tablespoons of pure vanilla extract. The anise extract is what was 1 teaspoon? 1 teaspoon of anise extract.
Remain in here.
Yeah, Saint Germain is about
2
2 tablespoons. Okay. All right.
And here you got it. See.
Yep, and here it is. That's what you're looking for. All right. So it has a little bit give to it, but it's not super watery. Still has texture. So,
Delicious.
see how it just drips like that? That's, oh my gosh, so good.
Delicious. The batter.
Okay, so now we're gonna make the pistel. So this is our pistel maker. This is the box. This is the one that, Mom, where'd you get this?
Oh, at Jungle Gyms.
Jungle Gyms. Okay,
I
so you
had
can
the
find,
original one
sorry,
for
it's
my
super
grandmother.
bright.
She
The
gave
sun's
it to
about
me.
to
It was
set.
like-
So, yeah, so you can go to Jungle Gyms and buy one of these. And this is how you spell pistel. Pizzelle. Okay. And then, so my mom is heating it up right here. She's, has some spray. You can use any nonstick spray. That just helps it to get out of the,
Pure
the crust.
coconut's nice.
Coconut's good. Vegetable, canola. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna show you that time lapse.
And here comes the sun.
Yeah, the sun's about to set. So we'll be back with you.
Orange and rum. You see, you put the rum extract in, and then where the heck's the orange? There's an orange peel.
Yum.
You know, we could have put that.
This is that's your grandmother's one.
Right here.
See, I mean, you just have less flour because Mom, I don't know why this.
I don't know how it can do that.
Yeah,
because it'll be
exactly.
Just like the
it's
one
like
big,
yeah. You
it's
need
like-
the right consistency.
because it'll stick.
Right.
It won't have enough butter. The butter keeps it.
Right.
You know, and so then they've got the chocolate, which is, and there's the basic one. The basic one.
It
That's
is.
the color. The color. It shows you. No. Shut it, honey. You don't do that. We got to test one. You have
I
to
know.
test them.
So we gotta test it.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
You got to test them, but there should be a light that comes on when it's
It
ready.
should be right.
Well, the
I
light.
thought, it's right here, Mom. See, it's good.
Yeah.
It's right there.
Is it what? You see it?
It's green. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You sure it's on?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now.
You got your tablespoon. So we
Yeah,
use
wait a minute. Now, when we get done with these, we got to flap them out. Wait a minute. Here is on here. I almost have to put this right
You can put
here.
it right here, Mom.
Huh? Now, this is the tester, which is not even funny. So,
Here, Mom. You can scoop this
I
closer.
don't need to scoot it down, babe. I just fine. It's just this mix.
There you go.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna just test this out. It's usually 1 teaspoon there, and which is a tablespoon. So you use half and half. Put one here, and we'll see what we get. We're supposed to push this down and lock it.
So this is the tester round.
Which is, I need
Here, you need to get a knife.
Just a butter knife. And it's like a half a minute. We usually like have a second hand around here, and I got light right smack in my eyes.
We can tell by the on the phone.
Oh, we can?
Yeah, because look.
Is that seconds? Oh, yeah, how sweet it is.
All right, so we're
That's a little bit much.
a little too done, but those
Not
were
bad.
perfect.
Yeah, and then when you get them down, we got
so
don't forget the
then,
powder.
after they come out,
Yeah, you got to powder them.
Sugar them right when they come out. And my mom, she likes to put a tablecloth on here so that's easy to clean up. Just shake it when you throw it in the wash. This is a sifter, but you can also use the one that's just a regular shaker, like that. You flip them over. And there's your pasella. So good. I think this is one of my favorite cookies.
Got to be fast.
Yep.
These are, let me see a little.
Right.
And it's good to keep your tin cans. Look over here.
Oh yeah, Mom likes to save her Pantalone cans.
I love to save these.
Her Pantalone cans because during the Christmas time, they sell these for Christmas, and they're just those loaf of bread. And just save the cans because then you can store all the pasellas in there when you make your pasellas.
I wasn't paying attention. You didn't give me my.
Okay.
Okay, now let me see the clock. What does it say?
So it's on 5 seconds.
Hot. You just gotta leave me.
Okay. So I am the sifter. Mom is
How
gonna
many seconds is that?
23 seconds. So it takes about a minute in the maker. So there you go. So we're gonna make chocolate ones. We're gonna make and
Coffee ones.
Coffee ones. Well, I guess my mom just decided we have coffee liqueur, so we'll make coffee ones too. I mean, we got all the time to do it. Why not? So. And I'm gonna list the recipes below the video so you guys can share these recipes. And if you like, if you don't have a pasella maker, you can still make this batter, and you can fry these up in a waffle maker if you have them. They would make some delicious waffles. All right, and then what else?
After so many cookies, if they start to stick, you have to spray.
Yes, always make sure that your press is always greased well. So make sure every other batch of pastels that you grease the press. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more.
Boutique.
Yeah, Bon Appetit.
Everybody
Happy
loves
quarantine.
pastellas. Everybody loves pastellas. At the front door. Boy, they wanted to see me. I couldn't believe it. Okay, time it.